Meaning of exterior angle.
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle.
Exterior angle. An exterior angle is formed when a side of a polygon is extended outward, and the angle is the amount of rotation needed to bring that extended side back to its original position. The size of an exterior angle at any vertex of a polygon is equal to the sum of the two interior angles at that vertex. In other words, if we add the measure of the interior angle and the exterior angle at any given vertex, the result will always be 180 degrees. Exterior angles are important in geometry because they can be used to prove theorems and solve problems involving polygons.